Good morning, friends. My name is Anshul Barot, and I am from HB Kabra New High School. And friends, I want to tell you that in ninth I have joined AMPLE. At that time, I am not good in maths and all because my base was not cleared. So my parents afford that fees and give me an opportunity to be in AMPLE and to update myself. Then slowly I have updated, and then when I came to when I am in 10th, then I have attended many of lectures from various sirs and all seminars by the Vimal sir. And as we all know that the AMPLE family was a supportive family for all the students, and it is a great opportunity for all the students to be in AMPLE because friends. Each and every tuition have a unique specialty, and AMPLE has also a unique specialty that the sir didn't give a specific time. We have a time to come, but not a time to exit from tuition. Sometime the sir also told us that you can call at 24/7 that I am for you. That Vimal sir told me that if you have any query, if you have any doubt, then you can call me at 1, 2, 3 at any time. And as well as my parents are also supportive for me because when I go to home, then it is like 3 o'clock or 3 or 2 o'clock, so it is not easy for me to go alone. So I have called my parents, and they both came and pick up me from my tuition, and they also supported me because sometimes if I gain some bad marks in exam, so they didn't scold me. They only make me understand that you can do better, and as well they support me, and I have update myself. And Vimal sir and all faculties like Prem bhai and all, they all have support me very well because sometimes I have doubts, so Vimal sir is not available, so I have go to my faculties, and they give me a perfect solution of my question. And then we have a good facility in AMPLEs. Not like that any much fun, but we have so much fun with sir. We have done many of time. We have move for educational tour and heritage walk. So I have pledged to AMPLE because I am very much happy for that. I have get my result. I got 86.10 PR in my this result, and for that my whole family was happy, and I am also happy. And I want to give biggest thanks to Vimal sir and all the faculties of AMPLE Dreams EDUCOM. Thank you.